Hi guys, this is Madi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to free up space in Android device. Let's start. First, open Play Store. Then search Clean Phone. Download and install this application. After that, open the application. As you can see, my device speed is 28% and this affects very bad on my phone's functional. In the first step, tap on Cleaner. Select Allow. Then select Clean. Select Done. Now let's go and make our device faster. Tap on Booster. After that, select Speed Up. As you can see, with this application, we increase the speed of our device from 28 to 96% and created empty space. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.